TRX Road Installation Armor Tutorial. Remove these four screws first. Take out the new armor and align it with the position. Just lock the screws back. The armor in the middle is this screw. This screw, it's the same here, but there's a screw here that's blocked by the electric head. You need to remove the electric head. Then after the two screws are removed, just break this exhaust pipe up. After breaking, this is the position to lock it with the screws. The armor is installed in the middle. Remove these two screws from the bridge guard. Correct the armor and then install it. Let's see the effect after installing it.